What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. My name is SM, and today we're exposing the hidden costs that catch almost every first-time homebuyer off guard. You've saved for years, found your dream house, and you're ready to move in. But the price on the listing? That's just the beginning. Beyond the down payment and mortgage, there are thousands in extra fees that can leave you feeling house poor right after you move in. Most people overlook these, but with a little planning, you can avoid nasty surprises. In this video, I'll break down the 7 biggest hidden costs of buying a home in the USA, so you can budget smart and buy with confidence. Let's dive in. First up, closing costs. These are the fees you pay to finalize your home purchase, and they're separate from your down payment. Expect to pay 2 to 5% of your home's price. On a $400,000 house, that's $8,000 to $20,000. Closing costs include lender fees, appraisal, title insurance, and escrow fees. Everyone wants a cut. These costs vary by lender and location, so always review your loan estimate and closing disclosure carefully. Don't be afraid to ask questions or negotiate. Sometimes sellers will cover part of your closing costs. Shop around for lenders to save money. Bottom line, add 3-5% to your budget for closing costs, or risk a last-minute financial scramble. Don't let this be your first home buying shock. Next, the home inspection fee. Never skip this. For $300, $600, a professional inspector checks the house for hidden problems: roof, foundation, plumbing, electrical, and more. This report is your best defense against buying a money pit. If issues are found, you can negotiate repairs, credits, or even walk away. Waiving inspection to win a bidding war can cost you tens of thousands later. Always get a home inspection, and consider extras like radon or pest checks if needed. It's a small price for peace of mind. Now, let's talk property taxes, an ongoing cost that's often underestimated. Your monthly payment isn't just principal and interest, it includes taxes, which fund local services. Taxes are based on your home's assessed value and local rates, which can jump after a sale. Don't trust the old owner's tax bill. Your taxes may rise after you buy. Check your county's tax rates and calculate based on your purchase price for a realistic estimate. Your lender will collect taxes monthly, but double-check their math. Budget for possible increases, so you're not caught off guard. Property taxes can be a big surprise if you're not prepared. Homeowner's insurance is mandatory if you have a mortgage, and smart even if you don't. It protects you and your lender from disasters like fire, storms, or liability claims. Costs vary. Find the $200 to $400 a year on average, but more if you're in a high-risk area. Standard policies don't cover floods or earthquakes. You'll need extra coverage for those. Get a detailed quote for your specific property and location. Don't skimp. Insurance is your safety net. Know what's covered and what's not. If you put down less than 20%, you'll pay private mortgage insurance, or PMI. PMI protects the lender, not you, and can add $125–500 a month to your payment. The better your credit and the bigger your down payment, the less you'll pay. PMI isn't forever. Once you reach 20% equity, you can cancel it. Work on your credit score before buying to save on PMI and your interest rate. Factor PMI into your budget if you're putting less than 20% down. It's a cost you can eventually eliminate. Maintenance and repairs. This is where homeowners get blindsided. Experts recommend saving 1 to 3% of your home's value each year for upkeep. That's $4,000–, $12,000 a year on a $400,000 house. This isn't for upgrades, it's for when the roof leaks or the furnace dies. Set up a separate savings account for home maintenance and fund it monthly. Big-ticket repairs will happen. Be ready, not surprised. Being proactive saves you from debt and stress. Home ownership means planning for the unexpected. If your home is in a community with an HOA, expect monthly or annual fees. HOA fees can range from $50 to over $1,000 a month, depending on amenities and location. They might cover landscaping, pools, security, or building maintenance. Read the HOA rules and financials carefully. Fees can increase, and special assessments can hit you with big, unexpected bills. Some love the order HOAs bring, others find the rules restrictive. Know what you're signing up for before you buy. HOA fees are a real recurring cost. Don't overlook them. There you have it, the 7 hidden costs that can turn your dream home into a financial headache. Go beyond the mortgage. Budget for closing costs, taxes, insurance, PMI, maintenance, and HOA fees. Planning for these expenses means you can actually enjoy your new home, stress-free. If you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe for more real estate tips. Share your own home buying surprises in the comments to help others. Thanks for watching.
Dear viewers, I want to take a moment to thank each and every one of you for watching my videos and supporting my channel. Your love and encouragement mean so much to me. However, I have noticed that many of you enjoy the content but haven't subscribed yet. If you truly enjoy my videos and want to see more exciting content in future, I kindly request you to subscribe to my channel, and subscribing is completely free, but it helps me grow, create even better videos, and stay motivated to share some more amazing content with you. So if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and join our YouTube family today. Your support means the world to me, and together we can make this community even bigger and stronger. Thank you so much for watching, supporting, and being a part of this journey. Dear viewers, I want to take a moment to thank each and every one of you for watching my videos and supporting my channel. Your love and encouragement mean so much to me. However, I have noticed that many of you enjoy the content but haven't subscribed yet. If you truly enjoy my videos and want to see more exciting content in future, I kindly request you to subscribe to my channel, and subscribing is completely free, but it helps me grow, create even better videos, and stay motivated to share some more amazing content with you. So if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and join our YouTube family today. Your support means that the world to me, and together we can make this community even bigger and stronger. Thank you so much for watching, supporting, and being a part of this journey. For watching my videos and supporting my channel. Your love and encouragement mean so much to me. However, I have noticed that many of you enjoy the content but haven't subscribed yet. If you truly enjoy my videos and want to see more exciting content in future, I kindly request you to subscribe to my channel, and subscribing is completely free, but it helps me grow, create even better videos, and stay motivated to share some more amazing content with you. So if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and join our YouTube family today. Your support means that the world to me, and together we can make this community even bigger and stronger. Thank you so much for watching, supporting, and being a part of this journey.